Dear students, we are going to see the summary of chapter 2, location and extent. See here, there are two flags of the country that already we have seen. One of is our country India, and one more flag is of Brazil. See here, what we are going to see in this lesson, in this chapter, that is the location, means how where these two countries are located on the globe, and we are going to see the extension of these two countries and their boundaries. Okay, before looking at the location and extent of the countries, we are going to see first about some information about the countries. See here, this is our India's flag and this is Brazil's flag. Our India is famous for the spices in the world, and our India's popular game is cricket. Our India is also known as the second largest populated country in the world. And what we can tell about the Brazil? Brazil is famous for samba dance, and it is also known for coffee pot of coffees, means it is known as coffee pot of the world. Why it is called as coffee pot of the world? Because here the production of coffee is more, and that's why it is known as coffee pot of the world. In Brazil, football is also famous game. Okay, this is some information about the country. Now we are going to see about the location, extent and boundaries of these countries. First of all, we are going to see about India. See here, India, capital Delhi. So see here, one more thing I want to tell you, that India, here in India we have the republic type of government. Okay, so the capital of India is Delhi. Now we are going to see about the location. See here, India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere of the globe. So see here, what is mean by northern and eastern hemisphere, that we are going to see. See here, here is the image of a globe. Okay, and you can see here that it is northern and eastern hemisphere. Okay, it is eastern and southern hemisphere. This is southern and western hemisphere, and this one is northern and western hemisphere. So see here, when we see the location of a particular country, we have to tell that in which hemisphere. These are the four hemispheres. Okay, eastern hemisphere, then western hemisphere, then southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Okay, these are the hemispheres, means our globe is divided into four parts, and we have given the name for these four parts as I told you now. Okay, so see, when we are going to locate the countries, we have to tell whether which in which hemisphere the particular country is located. See here, our India is in the continent of Asia, means here. Okay, see here, okay, here Asia, and in Asia our country is there. So in which hemisphere it is located? Our India is located, this is the northern. Okay, this is the northern part. So our India is located in the northern hemisphere, and it is also from this line, if we see, that is prime meridian. Okay, this is prime meridian, and the from the right side of the prime meridian, it is eastern side. Okay, and from the left side of the prime meridian, it is western side. So in our India is located in the prime meridian of right side, so it is located in eastern hemisphere. Means what is the location of our India? It is located in the northern and eastern hemispheres of the globe, or of the earth. Now see here, it is a southern part of Asia. It is a southern part of Asia. See here. Southern means, see here, it is this is Asia. Okay, and in Asia, the exact location of India is at the side of southern side. Okay, means here is our India, isn't it? So see, this is the side of India. Means in Asia, when we only see the Asia continent, in Asian continent, where is the location of our India? It is at the southern side. It is at the southern side, and that's why it is located in the southern part of the Asian continent. Okay, all of you got it. Now about the Brazil. See here. In Brazil, there is Federative Republic government. Means what? Means uniting all the states. The government is established in Brazil, and that's why it is Federative Republic type of government in Brazil. Now see here, the capital. Which is the capital of Brazil? That is Brasilia, city Brasilia. Now we are going to see the location of it. See here, Brazil's location. If we want to locate the Brazil, how can we locate the Brazil, or how can we describe the location of Brazil? That is, see here, most part of this Brazil is in the southern and some part in the northern hemisphere of the globe. See, see, it is Brazil is the part of South America. Means it is located in the continent of South America, and in it, here, okay, here Brazil is located. Okay, here Brazil is located, and see here, the most part of Brazil is in southern hemisphere, and a little bit part of the Brazil is in the northern hemisphere. Means we can tell that some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere, while most of the part lies in the southern hemisphere. Okay, and if we only see the South American continent, we can say that it lies in the western hemisphere. It lies in the western hemisphere. Okay, see here, you have the idea about it. It is western. Okay, it is the western side of, and this is all western side. Okay, so it is located in the western hemisphere, in the northern part of South American continent. South American means this is south. Okay, southern side. Okay, it is southern hemisphere. So it is in, if we only see the South American continent, we can say that it is located in the western hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, now see, it is a northern part of the South American continent. It is a northern part of South American continent. See here, this is the northern part. Okay, it is the northern part of American continent. The next we are going to see the extent of it. Extent. Okay. First of all, we are going to see about the extension of India. See, extent of India, we can say that that is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes. See here. Here is the map of India, and we can tell that, see, it is 8 degree. Okay, means 8 degree, here is exactly the point. Okay, 8 degree 4 minutes. Okay, means it is very close to the degree of 8, isn't it? That's why 8 degree 4 minutes north, 8 degree 4 minutes north to 8 minutes 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes. Okay, it is above the 36 degree, isn't it? See here, this is 36. Okay, this is 36, above the 36 degree our location is there, isn't it? So 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes. So see here, what is mean by north latitudes? Okay, see here, here is 4 degree, means equator, above the equator our country is located, above the equator, and that's why, means in the northern hemisphere, in the northern hemisphere our India is located, and that's why we can say that 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes. Okay, north latitudes our India is located, and between 68 degree, see now here 68 degree, and 68 degree east, 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree. Okay, here is the location. Okay, after 96 97 here. Okay, 97 degree, here is 9, it will be 96 9. Okay, so 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. Okay, longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. Okay, so this way we can say, because why it is written here east, because our India is located in the eastern hemisphere, and that's why E has written longitudinal extent. When we are writing, E is important. Okay, and N is, why N is used, because our India is located in the northern hemisphere, and that's why when we write the latitudinal extension of India, we should write N. Okay, all of you got it. Now see, Indira Point. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India, and its location is 66 degree 45 minutes north parallel. See here, where is in Indira Point? See, this is the Indira Point. This is the Indira Point, and where it is located, it is the southernmost tip of India. Okay, it is the southernmost tip of India, and its location is 6 degree 45 minutes. See here, 6 degree means below 8 degree. Okay, this Indira Point is located, and its exact location is 6 degree 45 minutes north latitude. Okay, north latitude. Okay, see here, Okay, below 8 degree this Indira point is located, and that's why this is the line of 8 degree. This is the line of 8 degree, and below this 8 degree Indira point is here. Okay, Indira point is here. Okay, so its location, exact location is 6 degree 45 minutes north to parallel. Okay, now we are going to see the extent of Brazil. Brazil is located in the degrees, we can say it 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitudes, and between 34 degree 45 minutes west to 73 degree 48 minutes west longitudes. Okay, see here, if we compare the extent of India and Brazil, it is different one, isn't it? See here, if we see the extent of latitudes of India, 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes. Okay, but here about Brazil, it is 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitudes. So why is it so? See here, I'll explain it. See, if we see the map of Brazil, okay, so here here is 0 degree. Okay, here is 0 degree, means equator has passed through this point. Okay, 0 degree. As now means from the northern side of Brazil, equator has passed. So our means equator divides the two hemispheres, one northern hemisphere and one southern hemisphere, isn't it? Means Brazil's location is also in the northern hemisphere and also in the southern hemisphere, and that's why when we are going to write the extent of Brazil, you should write about, when you are writing about the northern side of Brazil, then you should write n, isn't it? Now see here, means its extent is 5 degree north, 5 degree 15 minutes north, means it will be here, isn't it? So 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitudes, 33 degree C. It is wrongly written here in okay, 30, here should be 35 degree. Okay, so let it be. So from 30 degree it will be here. Okay, it will be here. Okay, so from its location is from 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitudes. Okay, this is the south side, southern hemisphere, and that's why it is written here 33 degree 45 minutes south latitudes, and between 34 degree, now see, and between 34 degree 45 minutes west here. Okay, 34 degree, this is 35 and before it. Okay, see here, 34 it will be here. Okay, 34 degree 45 minutes west to 73 degree to 73 degree, means it will be here 73 degree 48 minutes west longitudes. Okay, now see, this is the extent of Brazil. Now we are going to see the historical background of two countries. First of all, we are going to see of India. This is British ruled India for 1.5 century and got freedom in 1947. Okay, all this information you know. Now India is major developing country. Okay, because now India has speed up in many fields, and that's why it is now major developing country. Now see, the next point is it is also global market for the world. So why? Because already we have seen that it is the most populated country in the world, and that's why here also it is a global market for the production, and that's why, because here people are very much available for getting the goods, and that's why it is global market. It is also one young country, because here the population is more of young people, and that's why it is a young country. See here, if we see the background or historical background of India, we can say that India has faced 3 wars after the independence, after the freedom, and it also faced many famine situations, and India has overcame from all these problems, and he has paced up, he has speed up for the development, and it is now a very developing country or major developing country in the world. Okay, so what about the historical background of Brazil? That Portuguese ruled Brazil for more than 3 centuries, means 300 years Portuguese ruled over Brazil, and Brazil got freedom in 1822, and in 1822 Brazil got the freedom. It has also overcame from the global financial difficulties in the 20th century, but their development speed up very slowly, and in 20th century, from the global financial difficulties, it came out. Now it is contributing to world economic growth. Now it is also a developing country, and it is also contributing to in the world in the economic field. Okay, means it has also given pace to the economic growth. Now it is also important market country in the future, means it will also be a market country in the future, means it will also, it has now still not now much importance in the field of market, but it will also get the importance in future. Okay, in the market. So in this way, these are the comparative study of historical backgrounds of two countries. Okay, if we have the look on the historical background, though Brazil has got the freedom very early, means in 1822, but still it has not developed, okay, because so many situations were there in, and from that situations they came out very slowly, and that's why still it has not developed. Okay, means on this basis, on the economic basis, on the economic field, two countries are at the same level. Okay, this is the conclusion from this historical background. Okay, so we will stop here. This lesson is completed here. I have only discussed in summary type. Okay, these all important points. Now I stop here. Okay. लय वेळ लागला.